In the last step of our keyword research, we are going to filter our list of keywords to find the best ones for our website. First, let's start by going over our list and do a quick check for irrelevant keywords, removing keywords we are not going to use. So if your cleaning company does not do office cleaning, for example, we can remove all keywords related to office cleaning. Normally, this is just a quick check, because you already did this in the keyword planner by only selecting and exporting keywords that are relevant to your website. But maybe there are still some keywords on your list that should not be there, so now is the time to remove these. Then group your keywords. To make your list more manageable, we are going to divide the keywords into groups according to topic. Suppose, for example, that you have a lot of keyword suggestions in your list relating to floor cleaning and window cleaning. Then you group these together in your list, or you create separate tabs for these terms in your spreadsheet. When we group our keywords, we get more structure, and we can use these groups to create content for our website around a certain topic. Select the keywords you are going to use by looking at the criteria for good keywords. So they should be relevant and attract the right visitors for your site. They should have good search volume, and you should be able to beat the competition. Relevance should already be okay, because we already looked at this before and removed all the keywords that are not relevant to our website. For search volume, we can start sorting keywords by search volume, prioritizing keywords with a higher search volume. However, we must also pay close attention to the competition. If our keyword is relevant and has good search volume, we still have to skip the keyword if we can't beat the competition. If the competition is too strong, we will never be able to rank for that keyword, and it makes no sense to use it for our website. Being able to beat the competition is really an absolute basic condition for a good keyword for our website. Okay, so how can we evaluate the competition? Well, first we need to know who our competitors are. The answer to that question is simply the first 10 search results in Google. That is where we would like to rank as well, the first page of Google. So we will have to look at the top 10 to evaluate the competition and estimate whether we can beat them. Suppose that professional office cleaning is a keyword that we would like to use. Then we search for that keyword in google.com to see who our competitors are. Google shows search results that are personalized to you. For example, based on your location or your search history in Google, you will see different search results than other Google users in a different location. And of course, we don't want that, because that way we don't get a good idea of exactly who our competitors are. So we're going to look at the unpersonalized results. You can do that by signing out of your Google account. We first see some results from Google Maps, and below that are our 10 competitors. Obviously, we don't have to beat all of these competitors. To get to the first page, we have to see if we can beat one or more of these competitors. The easiest way to evaluate if we can beat the competition is to use the Mozbar Chrome extension. You can find a link to this tool in the resources. To use the tool, you need an account at Moz. You can create this for free by clicking on Create Account. If you've created an account, you must set the correct search profile first. This way you can set the correct search results for the specific region where you are located. Go to Search Profiles and Add New Profile. Select Google, select Show Non-Personalized Results, because we only want to see the non-personalized results for our competition research. Then choose your country, in this case, for example, United States. You can select your region, so the state that you're in, but you don't have to. You can also just leave it to the entire country. Give your profile a name and create profile. If everything is set up correctly, we can see additional information about the search results with the Mozbar extension. If you don't see this data, make sure you have Mozbar turned on by clicking the icon with the M at the top of your Chrome browser. You will now see some data for each search result. PA, or page authority, that is the authority of this web page. The higher the PA is, the more authority this page has in Google's eyes. Links is the number of links to the page. The more links, the stronger the page. DA stands for domain authority, the authority of the domain in the eyes of Google. The higher this number, the stronger the competitor is. Now, you can compare this to the data for your own website. Suppose this is our own website. Then we see that our website has a PA of 27, 173 inbound links, and a domain authority of 11. If you don't see the number of links here, go to Tools and Settings and check Link Metrics. Okay, so you now know how strong your own website is in the eyes of Google. Compare this data with the first 10 search results in Google. Are your page authority, domain authority, and number of links higher than those of one or more of these competitors? Then you stand a good chance to beat your competitors and end up on the first page of Google. So now we can assess all relevant criteria for our keywords. This allows us to prioritize the best keywords. Being able to beat the competition is by far the most important factor. Then you can prioritize keywords with the highest search volume and the ones that are most relevant to your website and attract the right visitors. An important question, of course, is how many keywords should you use per page? Google is getting a lot smarter, and that means that singular, plural, synonyms, strongly related keywords, they can all usually be on the same page. In the past, you had to create separate pages for that, but now you don't have to because Google understands that they are all about the same topic. So something like fitness schedule, fitness schedules, workout schedule, these are all keywords that could, for example, be on one page. That means that one page can rank for multiple keywords. According to a study by Ahrefs, the average page ranked number 1 in Google also ranks for about 1,000 other relevant keywords. That is quite a lot. It is, of course, very difficult to write a landing page or blog post and optimize it for dozens or hundreds of keywords. To make it easy on yourself, a good starting point is to use 1 to 3 main keywords per page. You can then add additional keywords, so singular, plural, synonyms, and strongly related keywords, as long as you make sure that you only group keywords on the same page if they have the same search intent. If you write a blog post about the keyword window cleaning tips, this is a purely informational article. So a keyword like window cleaning services near me would not fit in this post, because that is more of a commercial type keyword. Only combine keywords on the same page that have similar search intent. This way you can create a nice structure for your site where you assign all your keywords to different pages. Okay, so now you have the best and the most relevant keywords for your website. You have also divided them into groups and assigned them to different pages on your site. The next step is to optimize your web pages for your keywords. That's what we're going to look at in the next video.